mamu ina akwaba at the bank certificate for any galamsey who sensem at theatre sepa or manga nemuha as Samantha go Cecily John Dramani Mahama at the initiative by Sentinels Asna between Accra or excavator or Tamaport and I say Asna between Accra or excavators or Tamaport at this Oba Airlines Commissioner and Honia Maniama Echoes a signed document be a permit and Sana between Accra or excavators ewo Tamaport native for some no mokase aye Cecily John Dramani Mahama aye press conference ewo Jubilee House share all media journalists see for yansam ketwa eno am atwetwe enkomo na project I work Tamaport aye over 650 excavators for about omanga nemu ha asikulomo transfer service excavators we akọ military base amde aye trackers ni na ma akọbọ ho aye na mo bisa aye Cecily John Dramani Mahama sentinel aye excavators we no onimu bia na ana ochechi mu aka sentinel onimu bi pa na tifo na sena adoneteni na sank abeyanka someday at the military base akoye some installations na me bi wo ho asana metumi de class excavators da command owners na de bom de excavators ni be bia government ni hu no mo ya we enu tina metumi ama public no ehu anasoma ma maso na tenetifo se asem ne de yakuna ko timbram da mu ina
o pass ma ka che nyankopon aka che mframa. Indeed, before some penny ebe kasa no try say oba address some of our questions. And sana yenu anomo so ibisa en so bisa questions ni bi emoma penny attempt say oba address questions ni bi. There are few areas say anopay edi ho enkomo. Galamsey issue. Ghana man penny say afei de o tutu anamo say airline no oba repeal airline no de free ho 2462 no oba ye free ho na fama gudi a yetunu okwayi mu no atimi agyan. And Ghana for air train because bosume enkron da etoso eduba akuni enti airline no sania na omo hye akufuado no ne yenim sanka by now wayi airline na free ho esu onyiye ose wo beyi enti Ghana for air train se airline no ombeyi afiri ho na Ghana for ehu atimi ato omo anope daily graphic e de ba kese pa erekupa betimi kra de daily graphic no asan abadiem na daily graphic e bai no efiendra ensema mampani kan say fight against Galamsey state of emergency last resort President John Dramani Mahama na okase endra na medase the tintinity atiamu nyina no say omampani Mahama say state of emergency e mining areas no Ebrenson kra yebeti ya declare state of emergency na Ghana yentimi ya exhausted eniema yewo a yebeti ya stop Galamsey no yenti yenu ho na endra mitie mampani se okasa no mesefem ye na ema misuro ye se yahwe ya Ghana politicians enya dia nipa ebenya gidie e Ghana politicians mu biem. Hwa Ghana politicians mu di agra monko ha ne asi wo nepa because all your penny na wo kasa na se wo kasa waka no any boss wa hye no ntimi fa anya adwuma then the citizens will begin to lose interest in you as a person and then in the political class in general. Abusha ya tiomaimu na Galamsey ekoso na Akufuado ye ni obetimi bia e de ne presidency ato line so yenya NDC for okuja to ablakwanom yenya Sam George nom yenya Amakofibu anom yenya enipa ebe kan say Akufuado aban no and declare state of emergency e all mining areas na so wanya saa ne wanko illegal mining eti Martin Kpebu ene kanasigbenum ene yegigina mu anopa bia na kafuide wasesa ensuo efi agubotu mu sei na sisi GTV say yes a sign of ensuo ahodo ase wo Ghana ni ye di Akufuado atem all because Akufuado say on declare state of emergency and then this ya babamu esi edin ketia ne Amakofibu anom ne mampani Mahama no mo a ebo Akufo-Addo tiri so ase Ghana nsuo say into declare state of emergency no and the Ghana mampani say afei de state of emergency no ye nuru ho. Meanwhile obia nim say ene the galamsey situation o Ghana ha no aye worse than ever, very very worse. And then esuo brem kohe brem adwe brem abrawe and to make us say Ghana water for treatment plant e woche bi ya tum because brem abra wawe and the central region kwanyako the biggest treatment plant ho ya tum because esuo no galamsey asay ni nyina and na kwhwe kwaye said the year funtum Ghana kwaye ni say Ghana kwaye. Yebisa mampani Mahama say a yes Ghana for yenya beton ye galamsey gold near the economy ye. Really? Is that the reason why in tia or mampani Mahama task force IGPT ya no more call round Eiii Excavators SSS fine no more microphone must stop it task force some more money. Is that the reason why? Mampani, is it the reason say and that galamsey gold no and now what the air strengthen Uganda city send our kind of gold board no and nothing and ne one me a jai galamsey fight na and nothing and ne galamsey for I emboldened and ne omonama bontia omutu SF magudi na in any case and me be prove the hypocrisy of our president. Look on mampani Mahama ye wo man Ghana mu ana ensuo etoya ma bagredam eye ma and ye bie bagredam and ensuo no begu akosomo dam nim and no so ye ma na se ye bie akosomo dam no na dam na ansei and ye bie ye and ensuo kwatwifa aframantemu fo so ana eya emi nyina na Akufo-Addo aban no ehwe kwan pa obefa so a obetimi aso nipa na sen na waboa nipa no abato mu mfa so a na nipa benyanti yera mampani Mahama ene NDC fo eye propaganda bebre de tia mampani Akufo-Addo na ban emma omo penti picture ne se Akufo-Addo na ban empe Eiii anwonafo asem endra me won asem mampani Mahama ejina Jubilee House endra se hate speech kosom and say ye incited tribes against tribes and all that. It started with the NDC and it started with the Mampani John Dramani Mahama in opposition. They went there, they went to the voter region and tell them Jifago machine no kuja to black one and paint the picture say Akufo-Addo don't like them. Now Mampani Mahama catch the Akufo-Addo say on declare state of emergency e baby a isu afankrofo no. Mampani at the time now wo share Mampani Akufo-Addo say on declare state of emergency baby a nsuo afa framantemu fo no. Was that the last resort? Mampani Mahama, His Excellency, with all due respect, abria now wo share Mampani Akufo-Addo say on declare state of emergency baby a nsuo afa enkrofo no. Was that the last resort? Wouldn't mo akumam said that wasn't the last resort. But now when you are penny no, what the pressure to so. Eric Machafa story nebra. On the 20th of October 2023, where His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and now walk say or say former President John Dramani Mahama has added his voice to the calls made by to President Akufo-Addo to declare